Hi guys, it's me, Ivan, an 8-year-old boy. Last time I shared how to make a snake game on Scratch in about 10 minutes. If you want to learn about how to code a snake game in Scratch, please view my YouTube channel, Your Fixer Study, to view the tutorial. Today I will show you how to make a Flappy Bird game in Scratch. I will share in two parts. First, what is a Flappy Bird game in Scratch? Second, how to make a Flappy Bird game in Scratch. There are 5 following steps to make this game. Step 1, make a Flappy motion for Sprite bird. Step 2, add the pillars, Sprite, and that the bird flies through. Step 3, make the pillar move across the screen. Step 4, make a background. End of the game. Step 5, keep score. First, what is a Flappy Bird game in Scratch? In the Flappy Bird game on Scratch, you build moving pillars, use the spacebar to control the movement of the bird, and you earn points each time the pillar passes through the moving pillar. Second, there are 5 steps involved in making a Flappy Bird game. Next, I will share each step one by one. Step 1, make a Flappy motion Sprite bird. The first step toward creating the Flappy Bird game in Scratch is to make the object move. For that, we have to choose the right sprite, delete the cat, click on delete icon. Let's make a backdrop. Click on backdrop. Convert to bitmap. Click on Fill to paint tools. Click on Fill and select Color. Select the color by dragging the color saturation and brightness slider to show it on the screen. Click on the paint area. Backdrop color added. Click on code. Pick a character for the game. Let's add a bird sprite. Click on link in the description to download. Click on download. Bird sprite image. Download. Download it. Click on this open the save folder. Your sprite is saved and download. Now the upload sprite to the game. Click on upload sprite. Then search bird sprite in your download directly and click on it. Then click on open. Sprite added to the game. Change the size of the bird sprite to make sure the bird has small enough to fly through the pillar. Change the size to 50. Make the bird flat motion. In Scratch, you can move the sprite up, down, or by changing the Y value. Drag and drop the change Y block and change the number. Create a variable to keep track of the Y position of the bird, and we'll call it gravity. Click on variables. Name your variable, click on OK. Drag and drop the set gravity to block as shown on the screen and set the number to 0. From the variable, drag the gravity variable and drop it in the change Y block. Make the bird fall down, so change the value of gravity. Drag and drop the change gravity by block and set the value to a negative number as shown on the screen. Drag and drop a forever loop as shown on the screen. Set the bird position when the game starts. Drag and drop the when green flag click block as shown on top of the screen. Click on the green flag. The bird is falling down. The Flappy Bird isn't controlled by the space bar. Each time you hit the space bar, the bird goes up. We want the condition for the statement if statement to be the sensing block when space key pressed. Drag and drop the if then and key space press then block as shown on the screen. We want the bird to go up. Change the gravity variable value to a positive number. Drag and drop the set gravity block and change its value by 10. You can choose any. To check this condition, again and again drop the forever loop as shown on the screen. Drag and drop the when green flag click block as shown on the screen. Click on the green flag. The bird goes up while the space key is pressed, but if you press the space bar, the bird keeps going upward and overshoots the stage area. And add a condition to avoid this. Write a condition statement to check whether the state key is not pressed. Drag and drop the wait until block as shown on the screen. Drag and drop the not operator to the wait until block as shown on the screen. Drag and drop the key space press block to the not block as shown on the screen. Click on the green flag. If you keep pressing the space key, the bird is not overshooting the stage area. The bird will fly through. The main idea of the game is to make the bird fly through the pipes. Now is this step. We will upload the pipe sprite. Create the pillars that the bird will fly through. Click on the link in the description. Download the pipe sprite. Click on Show in Folder. Now upload the pipe sprite. Click on Upload Sprite. Pipe sprite was added. Let's modify it. Click on Costumes. Click to convert to Victor. Click on Select from Paint Tools. Click on the pipe. Make a duplicate of the pipe. Press Ctrl plus C and then press Ctrl plus V. Click on Duplicate Pipe and then flip vertically. Arrange the both pipes as shown on the screen. Click on the code. Step 3. Make the bird move. Let's make the pillars move. Let's make our pipe move left to right. Also create multi-duplicates of these pipes. Let's make these pipes and move them from right to left. Drag and drop create clone myself block code shown on the screen. And some delay to the code so that each clone will wait every second. Drag and drop wait second and forever loop as shown on the screen. Drag and drop the when green flag click block as shown on the screen. In Scratch, you can program the clone of any sprite. Drag and drop the when I start as a clone block. Make the sprite move from right to left. In Scratch, we can do this by changing X value with a negative number. Also write a condition statement to check where the pipe is reaching left edge of the Scratch stage. Change the pipe X value till the pipe touches the left of the Scratch stage. Drag and drop repeat until a block is shown on the screen. Drag and drop the less than and the X position block is shown on the screen. Drag and drop the change X by block as shown on the screen. Change X by the value with negative number. The number will be speed of the pipe obstacle for the bird movement. Click on the green flag. Pipe is moving from right to left but stuck on the left edge of the stage. Let's delete once it touches the left Scratch stage edge. Drag and drop to delete these clone block as shown on the screen. Also, hide the pipe sprite when the game starts and then show the pipe sprite when starting the clone. Drag and drop hide and show block as shown on the screen. Set start point when starting as a clone. Drag the go to XY block as shown on the screen. Click on the green flag. Pipes are coming from right to left, but all pipes are coming at the same height and chance. Let's make it pick it random. Drag and drop the pick random to block go to XY block as shown on the screen. And set go to XY block in negative to 100 to negative 100 to 100. Click on the green flag. Pipes are coming from right to left as random pipe. Make a background, end of the game. Let's make a background for the end of the game. Click on Sprite's Paint. Convert to bitmap. Click on fill and select black color. Click on fill tool. Click on convert to Victor. Click on text tool. Click on fill and select red color. Click on text tool and click on paint area. Write a message for the end of the game. Here, game over. Change the sprite name. Change the position of the set the value xy equals 0, 0. Hide the game over sprite when the game starts. Drag and drop one green flag, click block and hide block as shown on the screen. To show the game over sprite on the game over message, let's add a message receive block. Drag and drop the receive message 1 block and select new message. Type message for the end of game. Click on OK. Drag and drop when I receive game over message and then the game over sprite and stop the Flappy Bird game. Drag and drop show and stop all block as shown on the screen. Click on the bird sprite. End the game. If the bird touches the pipe, write a condition to check where the bird touches the pipe sprite. If drag and drop if and touching block as shown on the screen, and click on drop down and select pipe sprite. Let's broadcast a game over message. Drag and drop broadcast game over block as shown on the screen. Step 5. Adding score to Flappy Bird game. Let's add a score to keep track of score by creating a variable in the game. When the bird passes the sprite successfully. Add a variable. A variable is something that can be changed in the computer programming. Variables are store information and might change and use data in the program. Click on variable and make a variable. And name the variable. Set the score to 0 when the game starts. Click on the pipe sprite. Increase the score when the bird successfully passes the pipe sprite. Drag and drop the change score by block and change the number as 1 as shown on the screen. Click on the green flag. Now the score increases each pipes spread cross. Step 6. Time to play. Congratulations, you have completed the Flappy Bird game in Sprite. Click on green flag and start playing the Flappy Bird game. We are the enchants to the game and think of it. Do let us know in the comments below. Please click on to see all Flappy Bird's codes. Please click on link to watch the Flappy Bird tutorial. We want to more such games. Please follow our YouTube channel Fixer Study for timely video. I will continue to create more your programming game for you to see you. See you.